Alright, so I bring to you the multi-ledger savings and loans template that are built for investment companies. So here is how it works. As you can see, these are the various ledgers. These are just demo. The actual one that I built is actually larger than this, built for more than 30 different members or clients. So we just open number one for member number one, that's Sarah Jenkins. You click and open, and let's see how the template for savings and for loans look like. So the ledger is actually opening now, and because of right, we can see how it is. It has several savings sections. You can see share capital section, thrift savings section, deposit section, and the section for obtaining loan and loan repayment. And as you can see, the balance of this particular customer is a negative figure. That is, he's owing the business 43,000 naira, and this is actually automated to show in red and in minus. Assuming his balance is actually more than this, it will actually pop up in green and in a positive figure. Alright, so we go to customer number two on our ledger, and let's click on this. This is the customer number two, Matthew Rodriguez. As we can see, is actually opening, so we'll give it some time to get opened up. Alright, so it's fully opened. You can also see the details of this customer. He has a positive balance there, which is 22,000 naira in naira, and so on. And we'll just go straight and also check the last member here, who happens to be Shukuma Johnson. Note these are just demo names for security reasons and for confidential reasons. I decided not to disclose the actual project and entity that this was built for. You can see the balance of this particular customer is showing 1.1100. So this is how I create this. Can be created for cooperative societies, for investment companies, and whoever that is actually into savings. The good thing is, as the members ledger is showing here, we have a consolidated capital account that reflects the balance of each member in a single template or sheet. Here it is, and this is how it works. As members are making deposits on a regular basis or making transactions on a regular basis, each of their saving scheme or saving types drops here using import range formula of Google Sheets. So as you can see their figures for thrift capital, for deposits, and for loans. And below here is a ratio built, to manage the entity properly so that loans do not exceed the total capital that is owed. For share capital here, we are having 1.958 showing in red, which is quite high. That is the rate at which if you measure share capital to total loan, it means that share capital is already gone for loan. And for the entire capital is 0.582, which is also safe, not really too bad, but also getting closer to the margin of safety. So can actually replicate this for any business that is actually into investment and saving for members, to help members save, to raise funds and all that.